Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial for a date night or a girls night for Valentine's Day. I'm basically doing a really simple and quick makeup for the eyeshadow. I'm doing like a gold eyeshadow, and of course with the lips I'm doing the classic red lips, a metallic red lips. I'm starting my makeup with a primer, the MAC Prep and Prime. Then for my base, I'm applying the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I'm applying the foundation with the Beauty Blender. For the concealer, I'm using the Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 2.5 Creme Brulee. Next, for the contouring, I'm using Nude Sticks Nudies All Over Face color in the shade Bondi Bay. For the highlighter, I'm using Yves Saint Laurent Radiant Touch. Now I'm applying my favorite blush, NARS, in Orgasm. And for the highlight on top of my cheekbones, I'm using Nude Sticks Nudies in Illuminati, and I blend it with my finger. Next, I'm doing my eyebrows with Benefit Cabrow in the shade 5. And then I blend it by brushing my eyebrows to make it more natural. To set my eyebrows, I'm using the Ready Set Brow by Benefit. For the eyeshadow, I really keep it simple. I'm using the Nude Sticks Magnetic Eye Color in shade Jilt. I'm applying with the crayon first on the eyelid, and then I blend it with a brush. To define my eyebrows and highlight them, I'm using the Benefit Highbrow. Now I'm curling my eyelashes. I just put my fake lashes on, and now I'm using the Annabelle Eye Ink Liquid Eyeliner in black. I'm putting a little bit of mascara on top of my lashes. I'm using Benefit They're Real mascara. I'm also applying They're Real, the primer, on the bottom lashes. Now I'm defining my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Mary Jo K. I'm applying the lip liner as a base before the lipstick. So for the lips, I got recently this sample from Sephora, and I really loved it. I really love the metallic effect of this lipstick. It's the Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Lip in the color Crimson Chrome. It's a metallic true red. watching. I hope if you like this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And also follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye.